So we're here at Laowa and we have here the newest lens, the 200mm f2. And the great thing about it is like if you have go for the mirrorless mount version, the E mount, the L mount, the Z mount, it has a filter on the back, rear filter, so you can put an ND filter on it because the front is 105mm front fret, so those filters might be more expensive. So with the rear filter, be a much cost-effective version. But if you're using a Canon camera, mirrorless with RF, there is an EF version, so you can actually get the EF version, but that does not have the rear filter, right? Or the rear filter. The great thing is this is an autofocus lens, so even with the EF version, with an RF adapter, you can get like proper autofocus with it. And this being a 200mm f2, and it's great for like your portraits, like really nice shallow depth of field, but also like for your concerts, like events, and also like big performances, you can capture really nice pictures with it. And it's an autofocus lens, and it has a manual aperture ring, so you can actually turn the aperture on the lens itself, so you don't have to purposely do it in camera. And there are extra buttons on the lens itself that you can program for like different kind of things depending on the camera, which kind of settings you have. And there is also I can see a full focus and also for like close focus, and then AF and autofocus and manual focus switch on the lens itself, so you can switch it around if you prefer manual focusing. And overall, the weight, if it's for the EF mount, it's 1.5 kilos, and if you're going for the mirrorless versions, it's 1.7 kilo. So it's a little bit on the hefty side, but it is like a 200mm f2. But it's actually from the 200mm f2s that I have seen before, this is a pretty compact version. Like if you go to like the Canon booth, you have like the white version that is humongous. So this is really tiny, and that can fit in your backpack, while the other ones are like you need a big briefcase to carry around. So this is quite interesting for any people who are professional photographers.